x of t is equal to 4 cos pi by 3 into t. Try this problem. The given problem, it is in the form of x of t is equal to 4 cos omega naught t or omega t. We need to find t. Why? Because our relation to find power is p is equal to 1 over t integral from 0 to t magnitude of x of t whole square into dt. Now we need to find the time period for the given signal. Okay, we need to find a time period for the given signal, so that this is your standard equation. With respect to that, we have a relation to find t is equal to 2 pi by omega naught. What is omega? Omega naught is equal to pi by 3. By comparing standard equation and the given equation, omega naught will be pi by 3. Then you can substitute t is equal to 2 pi by 3. Then what is t? T is equal to 2 pi into 3 by pi. Pi gets cancelled. T is equal to 6 we are going to get. Now substitute here power signal is equal to 1 over time period. Capital T will be 6, 0 to limits will be 0 to 6. Magnitude of 4 cos pi by 3 t whole square into dt. Now the next step, what we are going to do? Okay, this is with respect to cos square. Cos square will be, this is in terms of cos square theta. Now I am going to change the relation with respect to 1 over 6 integral from 0 to 6. Then 4 square will be going to get 16. Next we have a cos square theta. Cos square theta will be 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So that you will get 16 divided by 2 into 1 minus cos pi by 3 into t into dt. What is your 1 minus cos 2 theta? We need to integrate this one. We need to integrate this. We will get 1 over 6. We'll take this 16 by 2 outside. Integrate this 1 minus cos pi by 3 t to with respect to dt. We'll get t minus of cos integration of cos theta will be sin theta by 2, so that sin pi by 3 into t divided by pi by 3, limits from 0 to 6. Sorry?
For cos square, you have taken 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, sir. Cos 2 theta, you have taken only cos theta, sir.
See, 2 I have taken outside already. 16 by 2. Here we have a 4 is there, no? See, your the equation will be like this: 4 cos pi by 3t whole square. Like this we have. This we can write 16 into cos square pi by 3 into t. Then again for this 16 into 1 minus cos pi by 3t divided by 2. Like this we will get. I have taken directly 16 divided by 2. Initially we have 16 divided by 2. 1 minus cos pi by 3 into t I have taken. Am I right? I have skipped 2 steps. We have discussed already about these things. That is why I have skipped. If you want, you can make a note of this also. Then after integrating, this sine term becomes 0, so that you will get finally you will get 16 by 12 into 6 minus 0. That will be 6 you are going to get. 6 1s are 16. You will get 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. You will get 8 watts is the solution. Or
Yes, sir.
got the solution everyone? Same 8 watts? Or else is there any
Yes, sir.
changes in the
Same,
answer?
sir.
Got same answer, no?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Okay, next we'll start with problem number 85, I think. X of t is equal to a cos of omega naught t plus theta. Try this problem. It's very important. 3-4 times they asked it in the exam for 8 marks. They had given standard equation a cos omega naught t plus theta. They had given, for example, if the problem will be x of t 4 cos of 2 pi t plus 4 or 5, anything like that, they will give problem. That time you are going to take this kind of standard equation to compare that equation. But in this case, they had given directly a standard equation. Here, what is omega? We already know the relation for t. T is equal to 2 pi by omega naught. We need to take a standard equation that P is equal to 1 over t integral from 0 to t x of t whole square into dt. The t will be 2 pi by omega naught. Try that. If you will not get, see here, I am going to try. So this is the equation they had given, x of t is equal to a cos omega naught t plus theta. Here I can find standard equation t is equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega is my standard equation, or omega naught is my standard equation. Then what is the relation to find power? P is equal to 1 over t integral from 0 to t magnitude of x of t whole square into dt. Now we know x of t, we know t. Substitute here we have an x of t. This is my x of t. So that okay, then p is equal to 1 over, what is t? T will be 2 pi by omega naught. 2 pi by omega naught integral from 0 to 2 pi by omega naught. And what is the equation we have? Equation will be a cos of omega naught t plus theta whole square into dt. Okay. The next step 1 over 2 pi by omega naught integral from 0 to 2 pi by omega naught. Then we are going to split this. We will get a square then cos square of omega naught t plus theta into dt. Okay. Now integrate this. This is in the form of cos square theta. Okay. Use cos square theta formula. This is 1 over 2 pi by omega naught. We can write omega naught by 2 pi. Omega naught by 2 pi. So that integral from 0 to 2 pi by omega naught. Here we have a square into what is the formula for cos square omega naught t plus theta? 1 plus cos 2 into omega naught t plus theta divided by 2 into dt I can write. Then omega naught by 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi by omega naught into I can take 2 outside a square into 1 plus cos 2 into omega naught t plus theta into dt. Now you take this constant outside and integrate this. I'm going to do all in one step. Omega naught by 2 pi into a square by 2 integration of 1 plus cos 2 omega naught t plus theta, that I am going to take t plus sin 2 omega naught t plus theta divided by 2 omega naught limits from 0 to 2 pi by omega naught. Am I right? Is this correct? Okay. Whole this sine term becomes 0. Just apply the limits for t. Now omega naught by 2 pi into a square by 2 into t, upper limit minus lower limit, 2 pi by omega naught minus of 0. Here 2 pi by omega naught, 2 pi by omega naught gets cancelled, so that left out with a square by 2 watts is the power for the given signal. Got everyone? Any doubts? ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ.
No doubt, sir.
Please make a note of this. Next, try this problem. X of t is equal to a sin omega naught t plus theta. Try this problem. Next problem, 86th problem. Follow same procedure. You will get a square sin square omega naught t plus theta. Sin square theta will be 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. What the answer? The signal they had given a sin omega naught t. Here also you will get sin term. Then rest of the things will be here you are going to get 1 minus. You will get 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 you are going to get. Minus. Here also minus. You will get same answer. Got same answer or any difference?
Same answer.
Got same answer everyone? Got same answer everyone?
Yes, sir.
Should we move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
See, these are the problems based on the mathematical representation. What they are going to give an equation, based on that we are going to find the time period and we are going to solve the solution problem and we are going to get the power, the respective power in the signal. Now we'll discuss about some other type, that is graphical representation. They will give only signal. For that signal we need to find the power. I'll take next problem. This is x of t. This is the continuous signal. The dots indicate so on. It will be from plus infinity to minus infinity. Right side it will be vary up to positive infinity. In the left side it will be vary up to negative infinity. The given signal, whether the given signal is periodic or non-periodic signal. Whether the given signal is periodic or non-periodic.
Periodic, sir.
How? Say from 0 to pi, we have an information, pi to 2 pi, it's a 0, then 2 pi to 3 pi, after 3 pi it's a 0, it will be continuous with respect to time. Keep on repeating, it will be positive cycle, then 0, positive cycle, 0, positive cycle, 0, like that it will be keep on repeating from minus infinity to infinity. That is why we can call it as it's a periodic signal or continuous signal. Okay, now what is our aim is to find power. We need to find power P is equal to 1 over t integral from 0 to t magnitude of x of t whole square into dt. Now we need to identify what is t in the given signal. What is the time period? One complete signal will be t is equal to 2 pi. I can write. How means 0 to 2 pi. From 0 to pi we have a information. From pi to 2 pi we have 0 information. We don't have a negative sign also, but we are going to get a 0 information. So that after 2 pi, after 2 pi it will be going to repeat. 2 pi to 3 pi there is an information. 3 pi to 4 pi there is a 0 information. I can tell that x of t is equal to I forgot to mention the amplitude. This amplitude will be 3. Okay, x of t is equal to 3 sine t from 0 to pi, from 0 to pi. Then 0 for pi to 2 pi. Okay, the information 3 sin t. This is a sinusoidal signal. I am going to consider this a sinusoidal signal. From 0 to pi we have an information that is 3 sin t. That is the limits from 0 to pi. Then from pi to 2 pi it's a 0 information. So that my t will be 2 pi. It will be vary from 0 to 2 pi, but it will be going to divide. From 0 to pi we have a information. From pi to 2 pi it's a 0 information. Now I am going to consider the both equation, but 0 information no need to consider. It will be 0 we are going to get. Okay. Now I will take P is equal to we are going to solve P is equal to 1 by what is the t? T is your 2 pi. 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi. Then magnitude of x of t whole square into dt. Now x of t will be split with respect to 3 sin t plus 0 we can write, or else you can solve for only 3 pi t, 3 sin t. Okay, that is equal to 1 over 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi. Here we have a 3 sin t whole square into dt plus 0. We have another information plus 0. No need to consider. If you want, you can consider, or you can leave. Then that is equal to 1 over 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi. Here we have a 3 sin t, that we can written as 3 square sin square t. 3 square means it's a 9 sin square t into dt. Then we are going to take 1 over 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 pi. This will be 9 divided by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 theta, cos 2t. Okay, sin square theta will be 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. That 2 will be I have taken already outside into dt. Now what you will do? 1 over 2 pi into 9 by 2 into t minus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Integration of cos 2 theta will be sin 2 theta by 2. Limits from 0 to 2 pi. This sin term will becomes 0. Now 1 over 2 pi or 9 by 4 pi. 4 pi into upper limit minus lower limit. 2 pi minus 0. 2 pi minus 0. This will be one time. It will be gets cancelled by 2. You will get 9 by 2 watts. This is the power for the given signal. Got everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, make a note of this. Take next problem. So they had given exponential signal. Problem number 88. Exponential signal they had given. First, find t and find the x of t, then solve. Can anyone tell me what is t? What is t?
Sir, 1.
Yes, t is equal to 1. Time period t is equal to 1. How? See, at every instant of time 0 to 1 we have an information. The same information will be repeat at the next interval, that is from 1 to 2 it will be same information, 2 to 3 it will be same information, so that it will be continuous every after 1 second. For example, if t is equal to 1 second, this will be vary from 0, 1, 2, 1 second, 2 second, like that it will be t is equal to 1. Then what type of signal it is? X of t is equal to, this will be discharging signal. The relation to find exponential e power minus t, limits from 0 to 0 to 1. The limits will be 0 to 1. It will be discharging signal. We are going to take it as a e power minus t. If it is a charging signal, it will be e power t. This is your x of t. Now use the relation p is equal to 1 over t integral from 0 to t magnitude of x of t whole square into dt. Substitute t is equal to 1, x of t is equal to e power minus t. Then find the solution. What is the answer? You want me to solve? Or else you got the solution? One over 1 integral from 0 to 1 e power minus t whole square into dt that is equal to e power minus 2t divided by minus 2 integral from 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 into e power minus 2 minus e power 0. Substitute the values. Tell me the answer. E power minus 2 minus e power 0 minus of this minus into plus will get 0.433 watts.
Yes, sir.
What's the answer, everyone? Simple problem solve ಮಾಡಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ರುನು.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Take next problem. Try this problem. Solve this problem. This amplitude will be 1. T is equal to 2. 0 to 2 we have one signal. From 0 to 1 we have an amplitude. Then from 1 to 2 the signal will be decreasing. From 2 to 4 we have a signal. In that 2 to 3 we have an amplitude 1. Again it will be going to decrease. Now from 0 to 1 we have from limit 0 to 1 we have a information amplitude 1. Then from 1 to 2 we need to find the equation. How to find equation? Use the concept of equation of a straight line. Okay, take the points x1 comma y1 and here at this point x2 comma y2. Use relation x minus x1 by y minus y1, that is equal to x1 minus x2 by y2 minus y1. Sorry, y1 minus x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. Equation of a straight line with respect to y is equal to mx plus c. Based on this equation of a straight line, solve this. What is x here? X will be t and y will be x of t. And x1 y1 value, x2 y2 value, here we have to find. This will be 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, amplitude 1. Y will be amplitude 1, x will be amplitude at the time axis 1. Here we have a 2 comma 0. The amplitude will be 0 and the time axis will be 2 comma 0. You will substitute here. You will get the equation. What is the equation you are going to get? X of t is equal to 1 from 0 to 1, then 2 minus t from 1 to 2. This is the equation you are going to get for the x of t. And you have to find the power for this signal. P is equal to 1 by 2 integral from 0 to 2 magnitude of x of t whole square into dt. Here x of t will be two different signal. From 0 to 1 we have a amplitude 1. From 1 to 2 we have a 2 minus t. Split that equation and solve the solution. 2 minus t whole square, that is in the form of a minus b whole square. If you want you can use a minus b whole square or else you can use integral. Two minus t whole square. If you are going to integrate that, 2 minus t whole cube by 3 into 1 by minus 1 you will get. Or else you can use a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square means here write on the formulas. Integration of at plus b whole to the power of n into dt. You will have at plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into 1 by a. Use this relation directly. You can write the equation for the integration of 2 minus t whole square. Or else if you want you can split with respect to a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula. You can use this also. What is the answer?
2/3.
Got everyone 2/3? Try this problem. Try this problem. Zero, 1, 2, 3. From 0 to 1, we have a rising. Then 1 to 2, we have an amplitude 1. 2 to 3, we have an amplitude 2. Again here also 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 1, 2. Same signal you are going to get in the negative side also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Those two are different diagrams, sir, or same diagram?
Sorry?
First and second way we have drawn, no, sir.
Which one?
First two waves, 0 to 3 and 6.
0 to
3. And 3 to 6 was different.
No. The same only. Yeah, from 0 to 4 it's a rising, 4 to 5 it's an amplitude 1. Okay. Change. I will change.
Okay.
Like this. You have to find the equation from 0 to 1. Anyhow, from 1 to 2 they had given amplitude 1. From 2 to 3 they had given amplitude 2. You have to find the equation from 0 to 1. Can you tell me what is interval between 0 to 1? What is the equation you will get?
Sir, x of t is equal to t.
Yes, x of t is equal to t. It's a rising edge from 0 to 1. If you are going to substitute t value, if it is t is equal to 0, amplitude will be 0. If t is equal to 1, it will be 1. So that x of t is equal to t from 0 to 1. Then from amplitude 1 will be from 1 to 2. Then amplitude 2 will be from 2 to 3. Find the same relation and solve the equation.